Corbin Russwin now offers a motorized electric latch retraction option for the ML2000 Series Mortise Lock. The motorized electric latch retraction is very quiet and power efficient at only 0.7 amps at 24 volts. It's great for integrating with wave to open switches and automatic operators for touch-free environments, and is also useful in push-pull applications where you want the latch to fall upon fire alarm. The motorized electric latch retraction lock is compatible with both standard and deco trims and is great for new construction as well as retrofit because the prep on the door matches our standard mortise locks and the pocket is the same as a regular EcoFlex ML2000 lock. The motorized electric latch retraction option is available in 3 functions, including passage, storeroom, and institutional. It's also available with an optional request to exit switch. The motorized electric latch retraction option is BHMA grade 1 and exceeded the 50-pound warp door test. It is now available for order using the option code MELR.